Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we fill colors in yacht. Let's start. First of all we fill red color. Let me tell you some interesting facts about yacht. It's a water vehicle. Kids, it's like a house on a water. Now we fill dark blue color. A yacht is a big boat. People use it for fun. Now last one is light blue color. You know kids, yachts are very luxurious. A yacht is an object that is used to travel. Used to travel on water from one place to another place. It covers long distance in water. Thanks for watching kids.